Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start the process of swapping out the capacitor on this carrier unit, really old unit. First thing I want to do is to go to the breaker and turn off the breakers. Alright, this is our old breaker for our house. These two are the AC unit. So we're going to put this in the off mode, just like that. Next to your AC unit, you should have some type of pull-out switch. In this case, you just follow the electrical, and our box is right here. Super old. And this has one of these old school pull-outs. So this shows that it's on. This shows that it's off. So just pull it out. Technically, if you go this way, it'll be off. But I'd rather just leave it like this. Next section is we're gonna have to take off to get to the capacitor, or somewhere in here. So we're gonna have to remove these screws. Make sure you also, after you remove these, you're gonna wanna take a picture of all the wiring. You wanna make sure you do everything correct. So, like I said, first, go to the breaker. Second, remove that bad boy. All right, so I removed the lid, which has probably never been removed before. It looks like my capacitor is super old. And then look just how dirty it's inside here, just leaves after leaves. So I really gotta clean that up. So I'll clean that up, try and make it look nicer. You wanna make sure with the capacitor, you want to make sure you discharge all the energy that might still be there. You're going to want to get a screwdriver and have all the, you want to go from the seed and touch the fan and touch the other wires to discharge anything that might be left on that before you touch that. So make sure you get a screwdriver and you release that charge that might still be there. Wow, this is old. Okay. All right, now that we have the power off, we pulled the plug. You just want to try and get, you want to just release the charges. You want to touch them. A screwdriver, try and touch all different combinations is what I do, just to get the charge. Man, I saw a lot of videos online and none look like mine. So, and then you also want to take a picture of this setup. You want to make sure we connect everything correctly. There should be, well, I guess we could look at it better when I take it out. There you see, okay, there's the C, there's the fan, and there's the third one. So, the discharge should be all good, so we should be good to unplug that. And we'll have to remove these screws to take it out and see what it is. All right, so I did some cleanup. I took out as much of the leaves as I could out of here just to do some cleanup. I removed the little bracket that was holding this down. And then I got the screwdriver, and I was saying how you just want to make sure you get the charges right there. So this is C. You want to go C to the fan, or C to the fan, C to the Herm. Let's take a picture of this. Want to make sure we capture the exact setup that it is. So we put it back the same way. Mine's old too. I don't know if it's different. So I see like one connector there, two connectors there, and one connector there. think it just pulls out. Yeah, it just pulls out. I don't want to ruin anything here. All right. Then this says what our capacitor is. We want to make sure you want to see the 5 UF, 35 UF 440. Sorry. All right. You can see where my plugs were because they're clean. All right, I'm gonna go try and buy a new one, and we'll try and hook this up again. Okay, so I went to Home Depot, and this was my old capacitor. You can see it says 5FU 35, I'm sorry, 5UF 35 UF 440 VAC, and I replaced it with the Titan HD 35 5 440. So they have similar caps. This one's a circular, this one's a oval type shape. And the box, it was $20 at Home Depot. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. We're gonna connect these back up and make sure we're gonna review the pictures and make sure that we connect it up proper. I just noticed this. Another good indicator is if you look at the tabs, it goes 2, 3, 4. 2 is the fan, 3 is the Herm, and 4 is the C. So if I take that same, numbering scheme, 2 is the fan, 3 is the Herm, and 4 is the C. Cool. I love the design. Smart. Okay, so based off of my picturing, the red single goes to fan. These two guys go to the C, and this one goes to the Herm. I'm gonna double check my pictures. I'm looking at my pictures. Oh shoot, sorry. Looking at my stupid iPhone. You see the Herm is the blue, the C is the yellow, and the fan is the red. So, this is fan, this is Herm, and this is C. So, we're gonna connect let me double check my picture one more time. So it just goes in like that, okay? So I just want to double check how the goes in. So this is the fan, nice and tight in there. This is the Herm, which we said was the blue. I'm gonna double check my picture. And that was on the inside. Don't know if it matters, but I want to be consistent. So, having said that, the Herm goes here, nice and tight. And we got our two guys that'll go for the C. And they go on the outside. If I was to do it the same way, which I will. Seems a little tight. I want to make sure I'm going the right way with it. There we go. Everything looks nice and tight. There we go. We got the fan, the Herm, and the two C's. Now I'm going to want to strap this down. This is a little different. I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so I have it nice and tight in here again like it was before. We're gonna make Make sure everything looks good. We're gonna go ahead and start it with it open, just to make sure everything looks good, and then I'll go ahead and stop it. So let's put the lid on. I'll just put the lid on to be safe. Okay, I decided to put the lid on. Now we're gonna put the safety in the on position. Make sure that's all the way in. Make sure it's not loose. Flip the breaker. Now, fingers crossed, everything works. Go ahead and go to our nest. And hope this works. How about that? Wow. Alright guys. That was the fix. Hope that video helped you guys. I know my wife's really happy and my boys are going to be happy. And guess who else is happy? I'm happy. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Please have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. I'm not an electrician, but I'm a computer guy. But I got this working. I'm sure you can do the same as long as you just make sure you're safe. Thanks guys.